Hey, welcome to this video on Etsy and digital products, and I'm going to do a review of Bailey's Design Club for Etsy because this lady, I think she lives down in Florida, has this Etsy shop that's done like 381,282 sales of digital products on Etsy. And I saw this a couple of years ago, I think. Um, can't remember the exact time, I'll tell you in a second. But she sells like tumbler wraps to everybody, and she made so many sales that so many Etsy shops started copying her. In fact, she inspired me. She's still making sales. She inspired me to open up a digital product shop on Etsy as well. And she uses AI to create these. And it's really a very cool business model. Now, I did this too. I went the mock-up route instead of the Tumblr route. And if I had a time machine, I would go back in time and do the Tumblr route. But I just want to show you what I did. So back in my coaching site, back here in right here. So this is 2023. Oh man, 2.5 years ago. I started Etsy mockups, and then I did Etsy digital invitations, and then Etsy Tumblr designs, and then Etsy membership. So it was all based on Bailey because I looked at her store, her shop on Etsy, and I was like, she's making a boatload of money. She's in the top 0.1% of Etsy shops. And I thought, wow, she really knows her stuff. She's providing an amazing service. And then so many people just pretty much copied everything she did. And I think, anytime people copy you like that, you got to take it as a compliment. But my point is this, she got so good at it and everybody was copying her. She's like, you know what? I'm going to open up a little membership site. And on that membership site, I'm going to teach people everything I do because they're already asking me a million questions. And she's got a pretty big YouTube channel here too with 52,000 subscribers on only 89 videos. For comparison, my YouTube channel has like 6,200 subscribers on like thousands of videos over the years, but my channel's all over the place. Hers is very niche down. She even did her YouTube channel better than me. So I am actually jealous of Bailey because she is better at this stuff than I am. And what I like about being online is when you find somebody who is better than you at something, you want to work with them. So what I did is I said, hey, Bailey, I love your stuff. I love your design club for Etsy, which I'm going to show you in a second. Can I promote that? Can I send people to you? Because I believe that you are the queen of this. You are better at this than I ever will be. And instead of me trying to compete with her, I'm like, you know what? Let's go here. Plus, for me personally, I'm on Shopify more than anything. And I still have a lot of people on like my email list and that watch my videos. Well, the very few that do on YouTube, who always ask me about Etsy and always ask me about digital products. And the actual business model itself is solid. It takes a little bit of time to get going, of course, but if you can have an expert who has like, what does she say here? 7-figure Etsy digital product seller, and my Etsy shop ranks in the top in the 1% of all Etsy shops. She's made over $1 million on Etsy with a $3 digital file in just under 2 years. And then since Etsy, I've turned my digital products into online memberships and now teach others digital product entrepreneurship, which is amazing. I love that. So I've had many years of experience with owning digital products, print on demand, and handmade product online businesses. And I'm here to share my tips and tricks along with failures and struggles so you can hopefully build your own online business. I love this. If you have any questions, drop a comment below for business inquiries, blah, blah, blah. There's her free group. There's her AI prompt and design club, which I'm going to show you in a second. And there's 15 free AI prompts for PNGs. Very cool. So if you're like, what do you mean AI and PNGs? Well, you can use places like Midjourney to create products that you can sell on Etsy. So your product creation is free, being digital, and all the buyers on Etsy get the product immediately. So when somebody goes here to Bailey Design Co. and they're like, all right, I really like this one for St. Patrick's Day, and they want to put that onto a Tumblr, they can buy this and they can put it on there. So they instantly get the file, and you're like, well, it's only like $1.51 Canadian. That's insane. Yeah, but she sells so much volume that it makes sense, and that's what she will teach you inside here. Bailey's Design Club for Etsy. So this is what I am recommending today. I don't take this lightly, and I don't recommend places that I don't 1,000% believe in. And I've been following her journey from when she like launched her YouTube channel and when she got into the teaching people and everything. And I've been watching from afar, and I've been thinking, man, I just love what she's doing. She teaches in a way that makes sense. There's no fluff, and she actually has the results to back it up. So if you want to create something like this on Etsy, like a shop where you sell, you know, it says digital sublimation, PNG designs, and tumblers and apparel. So she got into apparel recently, which is very cool too. Smart woman, expanding her product line. And these are selling like crazy too. And the cool part is, inside here, she teaches you how to make all this stuff and list it. So what I did is I said, okay, I watched this video, it's very cool. And then I went in here. People are getting like sales already. She's got like the results to back it up, which I love too. And then this is it, the Etsy, Bailey's Design Club for Etsy, products and prompts and SEO, which is just very cool. So it says getting quick, right? Are you tired of creating digital products that never sell? I've spent thousands of hours researching and creating AI prompts for digital designs on Etsy so you can fast track your results, get daily trending products, the AI prompts to create, and the SEO tags and titles so you can make sales fast. So what you get, she actually like the over delivers here. Daily trending low competition products to sell on Etsy with the AI prompts for DALL-E 3, Ideogram, Kittle, and Midjourney. Midjourney is my favorite, but I know Kittle's really good for these too. I don't really use DALL-E 3 much, but Ideogram I've used. Bonus how-to tutorials, okay, community support, monthly Q&A call, ask her anything. If you can get access to someone who is this good at what they do, that alone is worth the price of admission, which I'll show you in a second here. But there's a beginner Etsy digital product success toolkit, everything. So she's a top 1% seller, 380,000 digital download orders so far, which is just crazy. So let's go in. I'm in. So you start here, you go where everything is, and she's got a video here. Please watch to see where everything's located. AI settings for prompts, how to use the daily prompts, the search bar, and then of course there's an affiliate program. But very cool there. Housekeeping, please watch an acknowledge video walkthrough. And up here are the actual prompts. So look at this, prompts for March. She's been doing prompts. Like, I don't know if she's doing these every day, but my God, that is so much like value that she's delivering here. Just an insane amount. She's got all previous month prompts, which is a boatload. Like, look at this. You want just find one here. Trendy Mama Sunflower Tumbler Wrap. Okay, there's the prompt. Look at that. The prompts for Ideogram, Kittle, Midjourney, Canva Dream Lab now too. SEO tags and title, and then do what they look like. Like, that's just wild. She is basically handing you her business on a silver platter, which is amazing. And I'm sure, like, I could search through this and I could find different types if I wanted, I imagine. So let's go with, what should I look for? Halloween. I don't know. No, let's go St. Patrick's Day. See what's in here, if anything. I don't even know. I'm just typing this. Oh yeah, there's some prompts. Shamrock Tumbler Wrap. You want that one? Cool, here you go. There's a whole thing right there. Prompt for Ideogram, Kittle, Midjourney, Canva. Like, my God. This is such a gigantic database, and me as a print-on-demand seller, I'm like, there would be prompts in here that I could use on print-on-demand products too. And in fact, she does have the, I think it's called the paint stroke. I can't remember the name of it. Brush pattern. No, paint. There's some new one that she had in there that I thought was just amazing. Let's go back to the beginning here. There's POD prompts. There we go. So me, I'm into print-on-demand. Teacher Christmas cookie book shirt. My God. Trick or treat. Sort of merry, sort of feral sweatshirt. That's actually pretty cool. Look at this one. Yeah, that will sell for Christmas. Man, like the more I go through this membership, this Skool community, the more excited I get. Evergreen bonuses, resources, and links. Welcome. AI generators Q&A. Let's go to here to the classroom and check this out. So start here. She's got the full thing, housekeeping, where everything is. And then let's go back to the classroom. Etsy Digital Product Success Toolkit. Lesson 1, choosing your profitable audience or niche, setting up a new Etsy shop, setting up digital listing, understanding the algorithm, SEO 101, finding low competition products. validating products on Etsy and Everbee, finding trending design ideas, AI tools, prompting, how to make money with Etsy ads, how to make more profit with Etsy ads. So there you go. That's a full course right there. Now I will tell you too. I think this niching down on Etsy is more important now than ever, me personally. And she's covering that in that video. So I love that. Design tutorials, you got those. Holy cow. Like there's so much value here. This is just wild. Previous lives, they're all recorded. Very good. Very cool. This unlocks for $97. You can get a shop audit, but that's honestly, that's way too cheap. She should charge way more for that. At level 2, you get 3 ways to 5K per month. At level 3, you get 170 products to create, digital products, and then Digi Product Business Planner, and then Etsy Mastery at level 5. If you're wondering what these levels are, if you go to the leaderboard, you'll see. So right now I'm at level 1 because I kind of just joined. But level 2, it'll unlock that. Level 3, it'll unlock that. Level 4, level 5, level 6, level 9. It's just a way to kind of get you to participate in the community as well. I have 2 communities on Skool right now, and I love it. It's so easy to use. It's very simple. And the really cool part about Skool is you can download the Skool app, and then you can use it just like an app on your phone. So you can use it anywhere. So I'm sitting here right now recording this on my computer, but I can use this on my phone too. So who's this for? It's for people who want to sell digital products on Etsy. It's also for, I would even venture this as kind of a sub niche, is print on demand sellers who want to figure out how to make really cool designs with AI. And that's what I do. So I am super excited to be in here. The Etsy digital side, I love it. I kind of wish, like back, what was that, 2023 that I started in this? Yeah, on Etsy in June of 2023. I wish I kind of went to her back then and said like, hey, how the heck are you doing this? But this, I don't think this was even around back then. So I am a big fan. So that's why I'm doing this video, because I do highly recommend this to you. If you want to learn how to sell, digital products on Etsy, and if you want to try and get the same success that she had here on her shop, and still does today, she still sells this, I think this is an amazing opportunity for you. So the URL has been at the bottom of the screen the whole time, but I'll put it in the, well, wherever you can get it here. Anything else I want to cover? No, I think that's it. So go to that link. You will see a page that looks like, where is it here? Let me get that page up. Right here. It's going to say Will Hammerl invited you, and then you can join. So it's $37 a month. I'm telling you right now, that is peanuts for the amount of value and the amount of training and just the access to someone who is that far ahead of everybody else is well worth that $37 a month. Now you can cancel at any time. The very cool part too of Skool is if I want to cancel, you just go to your profile. I think it's under settings, and you can cancel right from here. Like you can cancel yourself. Just one sec. Yeah, it's right here. So what I like about Skool is this. So you go to a profile, settings, and then it'll list all your communities. And if you wanted to leave, you click on the membership, then you click leave this group, and you'll be allowed to cancel your subscription right there. So you don't even need to contact the owner at all. That's why I have 2 communities on here right now too, because of that feature. Because I know it goes back to the old saying, like Tom Cruise was going in A Few Good Men, and he was late for a meeting, and the guy running the meeting was like, I know you're not have a good excuse, so I'm not going to make you give me a bad one. And Tom Cruise is like, thank you. That's the way I feel about people canceling memberships. But so go there, join this, try it out. It's $37 a month for what you're getting. The value is enormous. You cannot go wrong with this, especially if you've been struggling on Etsy to get any kind of sales. And the reason that I'm even promoting this for her is I know I have a lot of Etsy sellers in my universe. And I'm just like, you know what? She knows more about this than I do. So I'm going to recommend you go to her and let her teach you everything she knows. So go ahead, click that link, go there, join. If you see invited by Will Hammerl on the top, that's good. Then you're in the right place. All right, everybody, if you have any questions, let me know, but go join Bailey's Design Club for Etsy now.